how to restring a Stihl Fs38 AutoCut head using Stihl 2mm diameter line. First, you're going to cut off 3 meters of trimmer line. Then there's an arrow and there's an arrow. You're going to rotate this until those arrows line up. I'm going to show you now. Okay, so this wheel, you can put your finger in there, and turn it until that arrow and that arrow lines up. Next, we're going to use our 2mm line and insert it into that hole straight through until it comes out at the bottom. Then you're going to pull on it until both pieces are equally long in length. It is about 3 meters, so that means 1.5 meter on the one side and 1.5 meter on the other side. After you have your line in the same length, we're going to go to the head. Next, you're going to put your fingers in this position and turn this wheel anti-clockwise. That will then pull in the trimmer line into the right position into the head. Never use more than 3 meters, otherwise this head will be overfilled and it will not feed correctly. To measure the length you need, you can just see there until that is in line with the blade that cuts it off if it's too long. So you can turn it in a little bit more until you can measure it, and that distance is correct. And that's how you restring an AutoCut 6.2 head on a Stihl Fs38 string trimmer.